All the rust has been removed. There's still a little bit of discoloration in there. That's just from where the rust itself penetrated into the actual cast iron. We're gonna head over to the fire. We're gonna show you how to re-season this cast iron and finish it out. All right, now that we have our cast iron on our open fire, what we're gonna do is we're gonna heat that up as hot as we can until it starts to smoke itself. That's gonna actually start to allow the cast iron to open up a little bit, allow our oils to actually penetrate. There's a couple different oils that you can use. You can use bacon fat, which is one of my favorite methods. Cook a bunch of bacon in that, take the bacon out, let the fat actually sit in there, kind of harden up again, reheat it again, and do it. But since we don't have any bacon with us, we're gonna use our next best thing, which is actually gonna be pure canola oil. We're gonna put just enough canola oil on the bottom of that cast iron to cover it. We're then gonna kind of roll it around a little bit, and we're actually gonna bring that up to where it starts to almost smoke but not catch fire. What that's going to do is all that oil is going to start sucking down into that cast iron. It's going to fill all those pockets where the rust was actually starting to eat away at that cast iron. And it's going to allow that cast iron to start to open up again and really bring new life to that cast iron. All right, now that the oil is starting to dance, which means the oil is going to start to move and flow, we're going to kind of roll it around a little bit and allow all that oil to keep getting in there. Once all the oil starts to dance, it looks like there's waves of the ocean going across the oil. We're going to take that oil out of the pan, put it into a cup, put it into whatever you got to do so you can get rid of that oil. So we're going to do that, and then I'm going to show you how to wipe this down and keep it nice and shiny and season it. To do a true season, we would do this 2, 3, maybe 4 times over and over and over again to really kind of build that in. So this method we're going to do, repeat it, repeat it, repeat it. Everything but the soap, no more soap at all. We're going to heat it up, we're going to dump the oil, we're going to heat it up, we're going to dump the oil, heat the oil, dump the oil, all the way down to where it's done, and then we're going to clean it all out. All right, now that we've dumped that oil, get a nice clean paper towel, and we're actually going to rub the remaining bits of oil around the entire inside of this pan and around the entire outside of that pan. Now we're only going to use this paper towel method after that 5th or 6th time of doing that hot, let it cool, add more oil, bring it up to heat, let it cool, bring more oil. And after we get all done, take our nice clean paper towels, a nice clean kitchen towel, one that your wife won't get mad at you for using or husband get mad at you for using. We're going to show you just how pretty that cast iron skillet is now. Still a little warm, but I'm going to lift this up and you'll actually get a nice clean view of how it looks. No rust, no spots, no discoloration. It looks like a brand new cast iron. And again, that's after 4 to 5 times, maybe 6, depending on how much rust was actually in it. So next time you see a rusty old cast iron, don't pass it up. Buy it for $3, bring it home, and make it look beautiful.